First of all, we're going to start with the pitch plugin. So this is in MIDI effects, and then you drag a pitch plugin and place it onto a MIDI channel. Now this is a MIDI effect, so do keep this in mind. First of all, we've got the pitch here. You can either directly type a number into it when you click here. You can obviously rotate the dial. Double clicking returns it back to its initial state. You can also use your up and down arrows to make the pitch go up or down. First of all, let's make a new clip by clicking in an empty clip slot. Next, just create a single MIDI note on C3 and extend it for the whole bar. You can press Fold if you want to, and then you'll just see the single note. Click the channel header and press play on the clip. Obviously, we're not hearing anything at the moment, so drop an instrument on there. I like to use operator. Now we return to the pitch window. We know that we're playing C3 in the clip. If we wanted to move the pitch up one semitone, this will be a positive step up. So we can press 1 on our number keypad, press 1 and then press enter. And the note goes up a semitone. To return back, we can press 0. If we wanted the semitone below, then we will do -1 and then press enter. And then back to 0. Moving up by +1 or down by -1 is the movement of a semitone. Okay, if you like this and you like the other content, please remember to like and subscribe, and see you next time.